Alright, so I'm working on these supports now. I got the one on down at the other end. And this one I see is a little off a little bit. I'll tell you what, these clamps right here, these are the best things I've had. I use these for like everything. I don't know if you noticed, I was just using them to hold these boards up on the fireplace. But they are so handy. I use them almost all the time. Trying to get that squared up a little bit. I think that's better. I glued it, tack it in with a brad nailer. With one hand because I'm just that good. Right? It's not gonna go. I don't have enough tension on there. All right, I'm gonna nail it. And then I'm gonna just use two 2x4s in the center, right? Glue and tack those in there. Then I don't block the path here for my electrical wires and stuff. And it'll still keep that angle straight. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do.